Hey guys, so I just wanted to get on here and talk about my experience with the coaching program so far. First of all, I just want to say that it's really taken me to the next level as far as my fitness goals go. I joined the regular LadyBoss community back in July, and I had been on and off using it, and I had been eating healthier and making healthier choices and going to the gym more. But ever since I started the coaching program, the beginning of November, is when I started. It's been something that's constantly on my mind and not something in the back of my mind. So going to the gym every day is a big thing that I'm always thinking about. What I'm eating, I'm thinking about it more and more, and it's really holding me accountable, whereas before the only person holding me accountable was myself, which doesn't really work because if you can ask anyone I know, I have no willpower. If I see something I want it now, and I'm not patient about it. So eating bad was hard. If I said I didn't want to go to the gym, I didn't go, and it's easy to convince yourself to do or not to do something. So having to tell Stephanie every time I mess up makes me not want to mess up because I'm a Leo. So I have lots of pride. I don't like admitting my flaws, and so that is something that really motivates me every week to not mess up, to not have to go to Stephanie at the end of the week and give myself a bad progress report. So I love that. Something we started lately was, since I have such a hard time getting to the gym, every time I have to think about it as an appointment with Stephanie, and if I'm not going to go, I have to contact her and cancel the appointment. And I have to have a good excuse, and it can't just be that I'm tired or I don't want to go. So I really have no excuse not to go now. I'm not allowed not to go unless I have a good excuse, and that's really helped me actually get in the gym and start making changes. Because eating healthy wasn't the hard part for me. It was making myself be active. I also think that this has really changed my mindset about being healthy. It's not like a drag, or it's not something that I dread, like, oh, I have to go to the gym. Like, I'm starting to actually love working out and spending my me time at the gym. I get my little hydro massage, or I get to tan or whatever, and I just get to put in my headphones and spend some time away from home, which I'm loving. And I feel like I'm doing more with my day, and without the coaching program, I wouldn't be getting up and out of the house and doing all these things. I'm feeling a lot better. I think I've lost, I did measurements, even though we're only supposed to do them once a month. I did them again. Since I started, I've lost 12 inches. I don't have a scale, and my gym doesn't have a scale, so I don't know how much my starting weight was, but I'm not noticing a giant difference, but my clothes are fitting looser, and I'm just feeling a lot better. I have a lot more energy, and I'm just really looking forward to see what the next 12 months has in store for me. My whole life, I've been like, I want to be fit. I want to have a fit lifestyle. I want to be fit forever from here on out. And I always look back and I'm like, oh, if I would have started 6 months ago, can you imagine where I would be now? And then, before you know it, time goes so fast. It's 3 months later, and you're like, oh, if I would have started 3 months ago when I was thinking about it, I could be so much further now. So I like that there's a timeline on this, and I can start now. And I know with this results coaching program, 12 months from now, my life is going to be different, and I can count on that. And so that's been really great for me, and really helped me motivate me that I know 12 months from now my life is going to be different. So if anybody has the chance to try this program, I completely recommend it. It's changed my mindset, and it's really brought my fitness goals to the forefront of my mind and helped me be more conscious about what I'm doing. So thanks, ladies. Have a great day.